In this video, I'm going to show you how to make leaderboards in GDevelop, and they've actually made it super simple. So the first thing we need to go to is the house up here, and click Manage on our game. We'll go to the game leaderboards area, and click See More, and then create our first leaderboard. Here you can change whatever you want. I'm going to change my name to Top Money, and I'm also going to change it to best entry, and higher is better. You can mess around with any of these settings, and we will set this to the default. So now we'll go back to our game scene, and I just have a basic scene set up here. When you click this, it gives you score, and then when you click this, it'll open the leaderboard. But we'll go to our events and add a new event, and we need is clicked for our button. We'll select our leaderboard button, and then we need a trigger once. And now for the actions, we need a leaderboard. So display the leaderboard, and then pick your leaderboard. And then we need an action to display, or not the display, to add the score. So we need save player score. And we'll add this, and we'll choose leaderboard. We'll choose the score, so whatever your score is called. Mine's just a global variable. I think scene variables work fine too. Mine's, mine's money. Alright, and then you can just leave this blank and it'll give you a generated username. Then if we preview this and click leaderboard, you'll have our top score here. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, then leave a comment.